With ChatGPT, Google is shaking, Bing is shaking, and even YouTube is shaking. But guess what? Affiliate marketing is not dead. It's smarter now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write product reviews, how to use Canva to design pins or social media posts, and where to promote your links to make sales today. First, let me quickly explain what affiliate marketing is for those who don't know. It is basically promoting other people's products and services and getting a commission for every sale that you bring them. For example, if you like a certain online course, you can get a link to it from the creator. And then whenever somebody signs up for that course through your link, you get paid a commission. You don't have to create anything yourself. You don't need a product. You don't need to deliver anything. All you need is a way to drive traffic to that link. And guess what? AI is making that easier than ever, because you can use it to generate content for free. So now you can start an affiliate marketing blog, YouTube channel, Quora account, Medium account, Pinterest account, Instagram account, TikTok account, or a Telegram channel. You can also join affiliate programs on hot platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact.com/Digistore24, and the Coursera Partner Program. Now, before we dive into each platform, I want to share my top tips on how to do this effectively. Start small, focus on one niche, and stay consistent. Do and try to be everywhere at once, because that will burn you out quickly and you whoa and see results. Pick one method, stick to it, and level up as you go. Now let's talk about where you can actually promote your affiliate links. First up, we have a blog or YouTube channel. This is where you create content around a specific niche and paste your affiliate links naturally within the content. For example, you could create a blog post comparing different VPNs and include your affiliate links in the article. Or you could make YouTube videos reviewing tech products and paste your links in the description. Next, we have Quora or Medium. These platforms are great for sharing your expertise and building an audience. For example, you could answer questions on Quora in your niche and include your affiliate links in your responses, or you could publish articles on Medium and paste your links in the text. Then we have Pinterest or Instagram. On these platforms, you can share visually appealing content like infographics, quotes, and images, and paste your affiliate links in the descriptions. For example, you could create a pin comparing different meal kit delivery services and paste your affiliate links in the description. And finally, we have Telegram channels. These are a great way to engage with your audience and promote your affiliate links. For example, you could create a channel sharing tech news and reviews and paste your affiliate links in the descriptions. But wait, there's more. I've got 4 bonus platforms for you: Amazon Associates, Impact.com, Digistore24, and the Coursera Partner Program. With Amazon Associates, you can promote products from almost any industry and earn commissions on sales. Impact.com and Digistore24 are affiliate marketplaces where you can find offers from various brands across different niches. The Coursera Partner Program allows you to promote online courses and earn commissions on enrollments. Now here are some final tips and warnings before we end. Stay away from scams. If a website asks for money up front, skip it. Learn one skill deeply instead of chasing every shiny thing. Combine AI with your creativity, but don't fully rely on automation. Remember, consistency beats everything else. Pick one method, stick to it, and level up as you go. Do not get discouraged if you do not see results immediately, because building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. I hope this video helped you discover real ways to earn online in 2025. If you want a full tutorial on any of these platforms, drop a comment below and I'll make it. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe for more content, and share this with someone who needs to start earning too. See you in the next one.